Students, in this video will be learning the screen elements of Microsoft Excel 2016. So as you can see the picture there, file tab, okay, that is on the top of the page. Then quick access toolbar, title bar, ribbon, name box, cell, worksheet, formula bar, sheet tab, status bar. So these are the elements of MS Excel or Microsoft Excel. So once again you can go through that: file tab, quick access toolbar, title bar, ribbon, name box, cell, worksheet, formula bar, sheet tab, status bar. First look at the title bar. Title bar appears on the top of the screen. Title bar displays the name of the current workbook. It also contains minimize, maximize and close buttons. So you can see here the title bar. It appears on the top of the screen. Title bar displays the name of the current workbook. It also contains minimize, maximize and close buttons. So you can see in the picture there, minimize button is there, maximize button and close button. So I hope this title bar is clear for you. Then second one is coming quick access toolbar. Okay, you can see that also in the picture. It is present on the title bar. So quick access toolbar is present on the title bar. It helps us to do command tasks with just one click. So quick access toolbar is helping us to do command tasks like save, undo and redo. Okay. So these are the options available in the quick access toolbar. Next comes file tab. It is the tab located in the upper left corner of the Microsoft Excel 2016 screen. So when you click file tab, you can see Microsoft Office backstage view. Okay, a backstage view shows the set of commands used to manage the worksheet, like creating, saving, opening, printing and so on. So here you can understand that in the backstage view we have the commands like creating, saving, opening and printing. So these are commands that are available in the file tab on the backstage view. So I hope this is clear for you. So file tab is located in the upper left corner of the Microsoft Excel. And the next point is ribbon. The ribbon contains two parts, tabs and groups. Each tab contains commands arranged in different groups. So now all of you can see the picture there. So that complete area is called the ribbon, and here we have the tabs and groups. So let us know the names of the tabs: file, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, help. These are the names. Home we called it tabs. Okay, we call it as tabs. So file is the name of the tab, then home, insert, page layout. So these are the names of the tabs. And you also can see that groups, below of the picture there is groups. So under the home tab we have clipboard, font, alignment, number, styles, cells and ideas. These are the groups name. So I hope all of you are able to identify the group's name. So which are the tabs? File, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, help. These are the tabs name. What are the groups name? Clipboard, font, alignment, numbers, styles, cells, ideas. These are the groups name. Next point comes name box and formula bar. So let us understand the formula bar first. The formula bar displays the characters and formulas that you enter in an active cell. You can see the picture there, formula bar. So that place we can enter the formulas. Okay, we can enter the formulas. And the name box displays the cell address of the active cell. So you can see here in the picture A1 is the active cell. So that is the name box is showing the active cell's address. So name box displays or shows the cell address of the active cell. Comes sheet tab. You can see in the picture sheet, then plus sign is given in the image. The names of the worksheet, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 appears on the sheet tab. Okay, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 appears on the sheet tab. The active sheet name is displayed in bold letters. So how will you come to know about the sheet tab? The active sheet name is displayed in bold letters. So you can identify the sheet name is displayed in bold letters. Okay, and you can move from one sheet to another by clicking on its tabs. So when you click on the sheet tab, you can move one sheet to another sheet. And the last one that we have status bar. So all of you should know that status bar displays current status of the cells and zoom option. So pay attention that is given in the page number 55. Status bar displays current status of the cells and zoom option. So I hope all of you have understood the points. Thanks for watching.